This is the capstone project of the Audacity's Azure NanoDegree, in which we are comparing the performances on the basis of accuracy. We are comparing the model performances of Azure's AutoML versus the model run by hyperparameter tuning of the Azure's Hyperdrive. First, we'll import the data using the tabular dataset factory. This is a module present in the data library provided by Azure. Then we have run the experiment using the Hyperdrive, and we have tuned the hyperparameters using the Hyperdrive provided by Azure. Here you can see that the experiment is running, and the logging can also be seen here. Here we can see the best metric that we received is 0.8035, that it is the accuracy score after the completion of the experiment. This is the accuracy chart. You can toggle with the charts also. We are here getting the metrics of the best model. We can also see the best run ID, accuracy, and the other parameters of the model. And here we are saving the model as a pickle file in case we need to deploy it or use it for some other purpose. Now we have run the experiment using the Azure AutoML, and after completion it is showing that voting example give the best metric, that is the best accuracy score of 0.86, which is much larger than the experiment run through Hyperdrive. Here we can also see the other experiments and their accuracies. Now we can see the best run model, that is we can use the get output, and we can see the metrics of the best model. All the metrics listed here are present in the model. Now similarly we are saving this model also in case we need to deploy this. Since we are getting better accuracy using the AutoML, we will deploy this model. Now first we will create the environment and configuration file, and we will deploy it using the Azure container instance. And then once it is deployed, it is showing status healthy, and we will get the scoring URI to use it as an endpoint. Now we can see that we are sending the request and we receive the data, which is completely new for the model, and that is the testing data, and it receives an accuracy of 80% on the test data.